Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to teach you a very new chapter, which is weather and seasons. What do you understand by weather? Weather क्या है? Weather is the condition of our atmosphere. It is not same throughout the year. It can be sunny, rainy, windy or cloudy. And what do you mean by seasons? If our weather remains same for a long period of time, or we can say for many months, then it is called seasons. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Look at the pictures of clothes and write the seasons in which they are worn. So you have to observe the picture and write the season in which they are worn. Like first picture you can see, this is the picture of shirt. So in which season do you wear? Shirt is worn in summer season. So you will write summer season. Likewise, you can do the remaining. Now, the first heading, weather. The earth is surrounded by air. Sometimes the air feels hot and sometimes feels cold. The condition of the atmosphere at a place and at any particular time is called weather. Weather is not same throughout the year. The weather can also be sunny, rainy or windy. We can see changes in the weather every day. So first of all, weather is not same throughout the year. And weather is what is weather? Weather है क्या है हमारे atmosphere की condition. कैसी होती है? Like it can be sunny, windy, rainy or cloudy. We see changes in weather every day. Sometimes it feels hot, sometimes it feels cold. Now next heading, seasons. When the weather stays the same for a few months, we call it a season. Season change because of the amount of sunlight reaching the earth as it goes around the sun. Each season has its own special weather, making the world around us feel different. तो जब हमारा weather, when the weather remains same for a long period, or we can say for few months, we call it a season. We have different types of season, और season क्यों change होते हैं? By the amount of light we experience on earth at different times. हर एक सीजन अपने आप में स्पेशल है और उसका वेदर अलग अलग होता है एंड वी एक्सपीरियंस इट एंड वी फील इट इन डिफरेंट वेज. टाइप्स ऑफ सीजन्स. There are three main seasons in our country: summer season, rainy or monsoon season, and winter season. Spring and autumn season are two more seasons. So basically students, there are three main seasons which are summer season, second the rainy or monsoon season, and the last is winter season. And there are two more seasons which are spring season and autumn season. We will discuss it one by one. First, we will discuss summer season, when we experience hot winds and we mostly wear light colored cotton clothes. April, May and June are the summer months. The weather is very hot in some parts of India. Hot and dry winds called Loo blow throughout the day, so people like to stay indoors. People wear cotton clothes to feel light and cool. They like to have cold drinks and sit under a fan or in front of a cooler. People go to the hill stations in summer. So 3 months, April, May and June are the 3 summer months when the weather is very hot and in some parts of India हमारी एक dry और hot wind चलती है जिसे हम बोलते हैं लू, and people like to stay inside our homes. Some people also like to visit hill stations in the summer season to enjoy the pleasant weather there, and we do the activities like enjoying ice cream, wearing light color cotton clothes by which we remain cool. Next season, rainy or monsoon season, when there is lots of rain. June, July and August are the months when it rains. The rain comes as a relief after the hot summer months. The sky becomes cloudy and grey. The weather is wet and warm. People wear raincoats or carry umbrellas to stay dry. Children enjoy playing in the rain. Sometimes heavy rain causes floods. Floods can harm people or damage home. So, July, August and September are the 3 months when it rains the most. हमारे समर मंथ के बाद नेक्स्ट सीजन, हमारे समर सीजन के बाद नेक्स्ट सीजन जो है वो आता है रेनी, और वी कैन कॉल इट अ मॉनसून सीजन, जो कि एक रिलीफ की तरह आता है, इन विच आर्स क्लाउड बिकम्स, हमारे जो स्काई है वो कैसा हो जाता है, जिसमें क्लाउड जो है वो बहुत कैसे हो जाते हैं, ग्रे कलर्ड हो जाते हैं, वेदर इज वेट एंड यूजुअली वार्म, एंड वी वियर रेन कोट्स, we carry umbrellas and we wear gumboots to stay dry. Children also like to play in the rain. Sometimes heavy rain, बहुत कभी कभी किसी किसी रीजन में इतनी बारिश होती है कि वो कुछ एरियाज में, some parts of India we can see floods, and floods can harm people and damage their homes and destroy their crops. Next is winter season. December and January are the cold winter months. During these months, cold winds blow. Places near the mountains get snow. People wear warm woolen clothes to stay cozy. They also use heaters to keep warm. In winter, people enjoy hot food and drinks to feel comfortable. So, December and January are the two coldest winter months. During these months, cold wind blows, and in months में लोगों को usually people wear woolen clothes which are made from wool that keeps them warm. People use heaters to keep them warm. And the regions, जो भी regions हमारे mountain area के पास होते हैं उसमें ज़्यादातर snow होती है, and those regions mainly get cold winds. Now there are two more seasons, that is first is spring season, which is also called season of queen, or we can say it a pleasant season. Why so? Let's read. The spring season comes after winter. The weather in spring is not too hot or not too cold. It is nice and pleasant. Spring starts in February and ends in April. During spring, many beautiful flowers bloom on the plants. तो स्प्रिंग सीजन जो है वो हमारा विंटर सीजन के बाद आता है. इसमें सीजन हमारा कैसा रहता है, नाइदर टू कोल्ड नॉट टू हॉट, यानी कि जो हमारा वेदर है वो बहुत प्लीजेंट है, यानी कि बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है हमारे लिए. स्प्रिंग सीजन स्टार्ट होता है फरवरी में और एंड होता है अप्रैल में. ड्यूरिंग द स्प्रिंग सीजन बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स ब्लूम होते हैं, यानी खुलते हैं, एंड वी कैन सी अराउंड अस ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर. नेक्स्ट इज ऑटम सीजन. The autumn season comes after the monsoon and before winter. In autumn, leaves on trees start to change their color. They change to red, yellow and brown. They start to fall off the trees in autumn. The weather starts to get cold. तो autumn season हमारा monsoon के बाद और winter season से just पहले आता है. In autumn season, trees की leaves का color change होता है. They change to red, yellow and sometimes brown. And they start to fall from the trees. In autumn season, the weather starts to get cold. इस season का भी जो weather है वो बहुत pleasant और comfortable रहता है. I hope students, the topics explained by me in this chapter, you have understood it well. Moving to the vocabulary. The first word is surrounded. When something is all around you. Surrounding यानी कि जब कोई भी चीज हमारे आसपास है. Particular, specific और स्पेशल थिंग. पर्टिकुलर यानी कि कोई एक स्पेशल चीज, कोई एक स्पेसिफिक चीज. रिलीफ, अ फीलिंग ऑफ कंफर्ट व्हेन समथिंग डिफिकल्ट एंड्स. रिलीफ यानी कि जब हमें रिलीफ कब मिलती है, जब हम कंफर्ट में होते हैं, जब हमें किसी भी कोई भी डिफिकल्टी एंड होती है. लू, a hot and dry wind that blows in summer. तो लू क्या है, एक हॉट और ड्राई विंड है जो कि यूजुअली ब्लो होती है किसमें, ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन. फ्लड्स, when water covers area that are usually dry. फ्लड्स क्या होता है, जब हमारे ऐसे एरियाज जो कि पूरे ड्राई और ड्रॉट होते हैं, जब उसमें पूरी तरीके से उस एरिया को वाटर कवर कर लेता है तो उसे हम फ्लड्स बोलते हैं. ब्लूम, व्हेन फ्लावर्स ओपन एंड ग्रो. ब्लूम यानी कि जब फ्लावर्स हमारे ओपन होते हैं, यानी कि जब फ्लावर्स ग्रो करते हैं. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter with some few points. The earth is surrounded by air which is called atmosphere. Weather is not same throughout the year. It continuously changes. April, May and June are summer months. We enjoy ice creams in this season. July, August and September are months when it rains. We use umbrella and gumboots. December and January are cold winter months, and places near mountains gets cold wind and snow. Now it's the time of exercise. Think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, take the correct option. What is the weather like in summer? A, cold, B, hot or C, windy. Option number B, hot. In which season do we wear woolen clothes? A. Summer, B. Spring, or C. Winter. So in winter season. What do people use to stay dry in rainy season? Sunscreen, umbrella, or warm clothes? Option number B is correct. Which seasons comes after the rainy season? Autumn, spring, or summer? So which season comes after rainy season? Autumn season. Which months are summer months in India? Option A, January, February, March. Option B, April, May, June. Or option C, July, August and September. Option number B is correct. Moving to the next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in box. Dash is the season when it rains. Monsoon or rainy. December and dash are the cold winter months. December and January are the cold winter months. The flower blooms in which season? Spring season. Fourth, in dash the leaves change their color and fall. In which season? In autumn. People carry dash in rainy season. What do people carry? People carry umbrellas. Now next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. The earth is surrounded by air. Yes, this statement is true. Weather stays the same throughout the year. No, it continuously changes. The weather in spring is very hot. No, weather is pleasant. In winter, people wear cotton clothes. No, people wear woolen clothes. Monsoon season comes after summer. Yes, this statement is correct. Thank you, students. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class with some new interesting chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye-bye, students.